Jack, what do you got?
That's in the back.
Yes, it's 4th of July weekend.
Oh.
Ooh, that might be the biggest one of the week.
Don't get caught up in the... It's definitely the biggest one.
Definitely the biggest one.
By far.
Heck yeah.
Gonna need players.
Hold it up. Nice. Just fishing off the dock, Minnesota.
Yep. Caught a ton of fish off the dock today and yesterday, honestly. This is probably the biggest one. They're all cookie cutters, but hammer in the top water.
Number 2, Jack.
Yep.
Another nice cookie cutter. That one's hooked better.
Yeah.
With the pliers.
There he is. Another average one. Get him back. There he goes. Going back. Got another one. Little bluegill. Just caught a bluegill a minute ago. Holy crap.
That's a nice one.
Just caught a bluegill a minute ago. Then a big dogfish came up from under the dock. Tried to eat it, but yeah. That's probably 7-8 incher right there. Big bluegill. She's using a popper. Wouldn't it get up there, giving her a popper too? And I just let, and after a few seconds, maybe anywhere from 2 seconds to 30, 35 seconds, I waited and I got one, whether it's a bluegill or a bass. But if not, give her a few more pops and reel a little bit. I found that I've caught the most bass over there, so I'm not sure if there's something holding on or what, but yeah, we've caught countless bass on the dock, and they're all decent, not big, but maybe biggest one being like maybe 2.5, 3 pounds, I don't know. So we're gonna try to film a couple. Get one this cast. Got another one on. Bass. Oh,
Ah, spit it.
shoes in. I think it's a Kevin Van Dam popper. I've had it since I was about 10. But cast away out there. Give it a pop like that. Pretty aggressive. I think it's weight. It's pretty good.
What do you have, Jack?
Another fish. Might be. Oh, there's a bass. Tiny.
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 Both the same size. Cookie cutter.
Wanna go grab the pliers?
Yeah.
Wanna go grab the pliers?
Yeah. There's a baby bass. Oh yeah.
I kept getting bluegills and they're just taking the leech, not eating it. They're trying to slip over them. Hopefully the walleyes would come up shallower. But the bluegills are just messing with us, so we're done. That's a wrap.